Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have a quick video here. I just wanted to share something with you guys. I've got so this charging point here is not working.
Bonus day tomorrow. Does that mean you've been able to get on with a few bits and bobs at home, perhaps? Maybe visit somewhere different? We're out walking.
Right. So if I plug that in there, that little light is not coming on, so that is not working. So what I found just now is that the fuse is blown. Maybe you can just about see that in there. So I just wanted to share what fuse was that. So here I have my fuse box, and if you look on the back here, it shows you this diagram here refers to the charging points. So any of these fuses will correspond to charging points around the car. So I had to check all of them until I found the culprit. 54, 65, 107, 143, 144. So the first two are in the fuse box, in the glove box. The other 5 are in the boot. But in my case, 171 and 176 were not. Actually, 171 was not there, and the other ones were there, but they were all okay. And I found fuse number 54. It's the faulty one, it's the broken one. So if you look at your chart here, so we have the allocation of the fuses here, and you have to look for number 54, and 54 is here, just there. But if you look at the fuse box from this angle, from outside here, and you look at this like this, it doesn't match because the fuse box is actually in this position. So fuse number 54, it's up here, and I'm just going to show you that now because I removed it, so we can see where I removed it from. So you can see maybe the yellow fuse, and then 3 green fuses, 30 amp, and then there's a missing fuse, and then there is another yellow 20 amp fuse, and that's where my fuse came out from. So just now I've got another fuse. This one here is a 20 as well, and I'm just going to fit it in there and I'll show you guys. But it's difficult, obviously. I can't really film. I have to get my hand in there, and it's just a bit difficult. Forget to switch the ignition off before attempting to do that. I just left it on, but yeah, that's off now. I'll show you now. I've installed the fuse. You can see it from here. Actually, it's the one that looks slightly different to the other one there. And it says 20 amp, but it's very faint. Anyway, I plugged that in there, and now hopefully, well, it's definitely blown. So okay, that's already on. You can see the little light there, it's already on. Okay, that might be on because of the let's put that back in there. Okay, maybe the fuse blown again. So either I have a problem with this, or maybe there is a bit of corrosion in here. But you could see that light was on. Right, so I'm gonna take the fuse out again and we'll check it. I removed the fuse and it was actually okay. So I've got another charging point, this one here. You can see the green light is come on now. So, and it's coming on and off. So I guess this is maybe faulty, to be honest. But that fuse there, number 54, is the one that is in charge of that. So there is another socket in here, and that could be number 60, fuse number 65 possibly, and fuse number 65 would be, if you look at the chart this way round, 65 would be the one up here, and it's one of the small ones, micro fuse or mini fuse, whatever they call it. Anyway, just wanted to share that little experience. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.